Welcome to the first ever closet vlog of Carlo. Anyway, I asked my wife earlier to rank like the favorite fragrances that I have in my collection, and I just want to share with you guys the ranking. So coming in at number five is Creed Aventus. So this is my personal favorite. If I were to rank like all the fragrances that I have, this is the one that I would pick to be my favorite. I even have this like giant thing that I have. I think it's called like a flacon or a flagon, wherein you have like so much of it, and then I just move it over to a canister every time I run out. So that's number five. Number four is from YSL. So this is from their exclusive line. This is Tuxedo. And I got this from a trip in Dubai, I think. And this one is a really good formal, smart casual type of scent, as you guys can tell from the name. So Tuxedo. Number three has a lot of memories for us. It is our go-to fragrance every time I travel. I remember Barcelona, Madrid, Europe a lot with it. And it was one of the first fragrances that got me into fragrances, which is Bleu de Chanel. Really good. I'm already out. You can no longer see anything in the bottle because it's out. So this is like one of our favorites. Again, it evokes a lot of memories. Number two, which came as a surprise, is from Tom Ford, Tuscan Leather over here. I really didn't think this would make her list, but apparently she likes the scent. She feels that it is a very good cuddling scent. So yeah, really good, Tuscan Leather. And number one, which really caught me by surprise because I didn't think she'd like it, was from Christian Dior. This is again from their exclusive line. This is Bois d'Argent. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that properly. But yeah, this one for her, she says, is the best cuddling scent in my entire collection, which I have a lot. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below of her picks, or what you think, or what fragrances that your partner loves the most when you wear. Comment down below. Anyway, it is February 14, Valentine. So I am going out to go to Shangri-La right now to buy perfume for the wife, which is going to be our Christmas Valentine's gift. Diba? But prior to that, pag Valentine's, we usually don't go out to restaurants because it's just so crowded. And it's so hard to, find a nice place to cook. It just becomes very, very messy. So what we're going to do tonight is we are going to cook. This, by the way, is our ref. It's a Samsung Smart Ref. We have a bunch of, ano ba tawag dito? Magnets from countries and cities that we visited. Some nice pictures. This one, the Gordon Ramsay Hell's Kitchen that we visited in Caesar's Palace. And tonight, I will be cooking scallops, and the wife will be cooking gambas. Now, where did I put the scallops? Yun. Scallops. Ta-da! And then the shrimp over there for gambas. So we will be defrosting this first. So iwan muna natin yan dyan. And now we head over to Shangri-La. But before that, let's say hello to the cats. Dusty. Woohoo! Dusty. Gustans! Kuha ko na ito, miss. Oh, mission accomplished. Oh. Babe, smile naman.
Wait, I'm talking to Audrey about.
This is something that you don't see every day. These are New Balance Loafer sneakers. So they're officially called the 1906L, L for loafers. And as you guys can see, it looks like your typical loafer shoe, which is kind of like, I guess, a combination of something formal and something street style. You have that, I think, 860 midsole, if I'm not mistaken, with the adsorb technology. And then you have a very leather shoes, grade school elementary type of Now, seriously speaking, I think loafers are currently trendy right now. We see a lot of people in Japan wearing them, and it's only a matter of time before you would see this in retail. Because if I'm not mistaken, it was October last year when we had Junya Watanabe debut a collaboration with New Balance featuring this silhouette at the Paris Fashion Week. And shortly thereafter, it became very trendy, which goes to show how powerful the influence is of fashion shows like that, designers like that, and how they can dictate the pace or at least the styles that people would appreciate and like and wear for the months to come. So this particular pair is available here already at Unbox Greenhouse. There are a couple of sizes. How much are they being sold for, Rai? 14,000 pesos. The Junya Watanabe collaboration, if I'm not mistaken, if you try to get it in Farfetched, it's anywhere from 30 to 40,000 pesos, thereabouts. So you might wanna check that out or check this out if this is the kind of style that you guys want to rock in the next few weeks or months. Now, there are different colors, but this is the one that's available locally, right? I haven't seen if there are other colorways yet available. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the shoe in the comment section down below. Now, before we get to the next part of the vlog, I just have something quick to unbox. I want to give a quick shout out to our friends from Magic the Gathering / Wizards of the Coast. They sent us this like care package of their newest set, which is called Aether Drift. So this one, if you are into TCGs, you definitely know what Magic the Gathering is all about. And this is a really cool set, lots of really high priced stuff in it. And you do have this bundle, which is great for beginners. So if you want to get this one, you also have their Commander deck, which is another format. They also sent us like a couple of booster packs as well as a collector booster, which is just really cool. So again, shout out to our friends from Magic the Gathering, Wizards of the Coast. I'll be opening this on Instagram, so make sure to check that out if you guys want to see what's inside the packs.